we need to put justice in there. Ngoba as far as I am concerned, as a worker in the informal economy, this austerity to prosperity means amandla ngawethu thina abantu as voters sisetshenziswa ukuvotela abantu. Prosperity means imali yabo. And when we go back to this country's history, I grew up during the liberation struggle. Mina ngaseMathebeleland, and we used to say unkomo wethu somlandela. Noma sesiye Geneva, sasimlandela simonana. And we used to listen to the radio. Sebephenduka iyobhuti labo sisi bevele empini. Bathi saphuma emakhaya le, emakhaya saqonde eChina. Safika eChina sathwala izibhamanti, sabuya eZimbabwe, sathatha amabhunu. Kusukela namhla sesinjani? Sesijabula, siyajabula. Zero. All those men and women wasted their youth on a cause that they did not own. And today, we are wasting our time as Zimbabweans on a cause that we do not own. Only a few, the elite, are benefiting from every process. Mhlawumbe la yona le process esikhuluma ngayo kiyo, only a few are benefiting. Thina abanye siyakhuluma. We don't really know what's happening behind the scenes. And when we talk about informality and informal economy workers, sikhathele ngokuthethiswa, tanetha nekuramba tichitukwa, tanetha nekuramba tichibatwa se public nuisance. We are not a public nuisance. We are not criminals. Why? Because we are a result. We are merely a symptom of the bigger picture. We are a result of bad decisions taken by government. We are a result of the enaction of bad policies and policies that have failed in other countries, which were implemented in Zimbabwe to the detriment of Zimbabweans, to the detriment of future generations, and to the detriment of the development of the country. Ngiyaxolisa Reverend Sifelani, uthe kule sweet voice. My voice is not very sweet when we talk reality. And I am so loathsome of the government approach to be on denial mode. Bahlala bekugiya yokwala esiphila kiko. It's time government moved into reality mode. The reality mode is that they have killed the economy. There is no formal economy to speak of. There is no industry to speak of. That is why business is struggling. Today, myself and my brothers who have spoken before speak the same language. When I first met my brother, Mr. Pina, kwakungani siyakhuthana so. Kodwa ukwenza kwe-economy lo hulumende pushed us together. Today we are real brother and sister. He is in big business, a capitalist. I'm an informal economy worker. But our song is the same. Do not criminalize us. Wake up and smell the coffee. Or is it rooibos, hulumende? Wake up and smell the rooibos. You created the status quo. You created the kind of economy where one has got to kia rather than work. Where one has got to make lives for themselves, and where government is not mandated to protect and look after the welfare of the citizens. As I speak in this hall, the University of Zimbabwe, it is quite heartbreaking for me as a mother and a leader. These children are learning here today, but from here where to the streets. When I speak reality. Being national president of an informal economy organization is not fun. It is not a walk in the park. I am as poor as the members, but daily I have to make sure I provide for somebody who has less than me. Somebody who says, Namhla President angikwazi ukuthi ngizathatha nihlanganise lani. And I have to eco cash $5 and say, hambe thenga imbhida. Why should they buy vegetables? Service delivery is dilapidated. Everything is dilapidated. There is no water. Where we used to make our own vegetables, we can no longer do that. We have been robbed of even the smallest pleasures of life. I will not go into the financial policies, fiscal policies. That is Greek. Why Greek? Those are designed to separate the people from reality. They are designed to scare us into silence. Because if I cannot interrogate financial policies or monetary policies, I'm expected to be quiet in the great hall of UZ and not contribute my thoughts, because I'll be considered uneducated. I will be considered illiterate, but I will speak. If monetary policies are meant to affect our lives, they should be simplified. Simplify them as you simplify the political party manifestos. Simplify austerity to prosperity as you simplify the rally speeches before the elections. Simplify them as you simplify the distribution of Chinese rice and beans. That is what we need. Simplify them as you simplify the printed materials with the heads of men who, when they are elected, cease to connect with the citizens. For me, this talk is not a nice talk. It's not child's play. We are talking about people's lives. And when we give figures and statistics, those statistics are human lives. They are human livelihoods. The president who spoke before me represents the labor which is slowly going extinct due to policies which continue to be applied to say a man and woman shall not work sustainably for their families through the neoliberal policies that have failed in other countries and continue to fail. Zimbabwe is a rich country. All we need is willpower, eradication of corruption, and an address of corruption in the true sense of the word. Not to have stories, today so and so has been arrested. Then what? They are released unceremoniously, without judgment, without sentence. Why waste the state money? Why waste taxpayers' money? And when it's talking about tax, informal economy workers are not tax evaders. That is a blue line. We pay a number of multiple taxes. From the time we buy goods at the wholesale, there is VAT. If you are going to buy goods at a shop, there is VAT. When you get onto the road to sell your wares, if you are a vendor, the city council comes. They get a levy from you. What is a levy? For me, the ordinary person, it's some form of tax. It doesn't end with the city council. A cheap widow from a political party also comes. They are supposed to eat there. Informal economy workers are suffering. And this is over 95% of the population. And we turn a blind eye and pretend it doesn't exist. And what does austerity mean? Austerity to prosperity, as far as I understand, is meant at the end of the day to be the eradication of the informal economy. That is a failed exercise before it has even started. Informal economy is not peculiar to Zimbabwe. I'm 95% of the population, and I'm the only woman on the panel. I'm speaking for 52%. I meant to say, even as we are talking about from austerity to prosperity, this issue should have been a consultative process. You don't just come out and tell us austerity to prosperity. Who says we want to be austere in order to prosper? Who has told you that? Who did you consult? Who did you talk to? Talk to us so that as Zimbabweans we have a say in the building up of our country, in the development of our country, in the future of our country. We no longer want impositions. We cannot continue to be in a colonial era, colonized by our own fellow men, whom we have voted for. Let that message come across strongly to say, when we talk about informal economy, Zimbabwe is not peculiar. As I stand before you, I also work with a global organization of informal economy. And as a Zimbabwean, because I know informal economy, I am the international president of the poor. In 52 countries, these are the people. It ranges from America to Europe, Asia to all the parts of Africa. Informal economy has got a high presence. The only difference is the way the governments treat the informal economy workers. And Zimbabwe is not a very good example. We are not proud to talk about our country. But Zimbabwean government knows there is a recommendation from the International Labour Organization, the recommendation 204 of transitioning the informal economy to formal economy. They know because every June they go to Geneva. Because I am an international leader, I now go to Geneva every June. I see them there. Where the recommendation was crafted, and they also said, we second the recommendation. We agree with the recommendation. But when we go to them as a lobby and advocacy group to talk about inclusion of informal economy workers, recognition and respect, they act surprised. We are going back to Geneva to discuss elimination of violence and harassment in the world of work, which includes 95% in Zimbabwe, the informal economy. We hope that we shall reach a stage where no vendor shall be chased by local authority or the police. Governments should take their responsibility seriously, make sure they provide working spaces for vendors. If Smith could build our mothers' markets in the suburbs, why can't our own government do it? Why violate the citizens whose vote you shall want in 5 years? Is the election a ceremony? I thought the election was supposed to change people's lives. I thought the election was supposed to bring respect for citizens. As I round off my talk, this issue of austerity to prosperity should go with justice. Thank you, ZCC. I believe ZCC has got a bigger burden. Every Saturday, Sunday, or Friday, or whatever week the pastors go, day of the week the pastors go to church, you have to counsel members who are affected by the economy. And I believe the dialogue is in the right hands. Because as we started, Reverend Zwana spoke about the truth. Let us tell the truth. Let's not manipulate people's minds. And we have to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. To say after talking, I shall not have freedom. Today I shall have my freedom. Because if I am taken prisoner, you shall have a very stubborn prisoner. We need to tell each other the truth if we are to build Zimbabwe. Thank you, ZCC. Continue with the good work. Continue inviting us so that we can tell the truth. And we shall bring other players, people to tell their stories. This is what I would like to see. It's not enough for us as leaders to tell the stories. Those people who have their goods confiscated every day, who are thrown into the lorries and trampled upon by the police, let them tell their stories. If we are really serious about building Zimbabwe, we are tired of getting our passports inspected at every border post and being quizzed, where are you going, why are you going there, because of the status of our country. I thank you.